5 reasons to start drinking baking soda. Sodium bicarbonate. Drinking baking soda dissolved in water is not a new thing and has been commonly used to alleviate the symptoms associated with conditions such as arthritis, indigestion, acidity, infection. When consumed in a proper dosage, sodium bicarbonate can help balance body chemistry by triggering self-healing. Baking soda is an antacid. Drinking baking soda dissolved in water will help neutralize hydrochloric acid and eliminate the pain of heartburn. In addition, the effervescence bubbling that occurs when sodium bicarbonate is mixed with water promotes belching that embeds gas and bloating. Baking soda balances pH. Although acidity is necessary for the digestion of food, too much acidity in the body promotes diseases such as osteoporosis, cancer, and arthritis. All these conditions thrive in an acid environment. Drinking baking soda dissolved in water helps balance the pH and promotes wellness and energy. Baking soda reduces inflammation. Inflammation of the joints causes pain, and conditions such as gout, where uric acid builds up in urine, blood, and tissues, are especially relieved with the addition of a sodium bicarbonate tonic. Baking soda helps urinary tract infection. In addition to drinking lots of water and cranberry juice, drinking baking soda can help overcome urinary tract infection. It is the acid reduction in the urine. If you are prone to these infections, start drinking baking soda and water. Energy efficiency and performance. If you exercise hard, lactic acid builds up in your muscles, and this causes pain and fatigue. For a super-powered energy drink, mix 4 cups of water with 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 2 tablespoons of raw honey and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice.